18.
18 sa tartan.
18 pa, tartan.
Stop. Bingo, bingo.
Oh, bingo!
Okay na to, no?
Oh. Okay.
Meron na ba 28 sa tartan?
28.
28.
Chambo. Oh, McDaniels, illegal. Illegal, holding the ball.
Raman, no?
Number 10. Oh, missed the ball. Number 7 rebound. Number 42, bring the ball. Oh, pinasa gitna. Oh, intercept. Julius. Oh, intercept again. Number 42, drive. Pass to McDaniels. Oh. 2-0.
Ay, wow. Pre, mali.
Big.
Ano to?
Pass to Julius. Julius shot.
Simple!
Counted. 2-2. Up, rebound by Big. Pass to Soriano. Soriano. Diretso. Shot by Soriano. Andres. Dribble the ball. Andres looking for a pass.
Dito
Jege. Up.
3.
Turnover. Up. Back. No.
Ay,
Not
baliktad
turnover.
pala sa akin.
Andres.
Ay, baliktad.
Andres dribble the ball. Pass to Yeye. Pass to Andres. Andres take a shot. No good. Big pass again to Soriano. Up. Pass to Subia. Pass to Julius. Intercept. Cedric. Straight. Close to post. Up. Subia, diretso. No good. Julius again. Follow up by Julius. Baba. Number 2, Yeye. Foul.
Sasakit ba? Magkano ba basta?
7?
Number 7. First
Saan
foul.
kayo?
2 shots.
Pre. Nagkusaan? Wala eh. Gusto ka? Magdaga ba? Oo, magkano ba?
1 shot. Good.
Open ba? Sandaan ba? Oo. Sige. Kaya na.
1 shot. Good. 2 shots. Good. 2.
Sino ka kasama mo kapustahan?
Yeah.
Sa ano?
Number 2.
Score pre.
Julius. Counted. 4-6.
8.
Counted. Number 14. Counted foul.
Call number 8. 11, thank you.
11. Foul. One more shot.
Basta pa eh. Kailangan. Basta.
Not good. Cedric dribble the ball. Pass to Yeye.
Okay, Troy. Ano number ni Tito Tirso?
Number 10, dribble the ball. Pass to Soriano. Here we go. Pass break. Not good.
Time out, ref!
Timeout. Tarta.
Wala yung tikman ng ano? Patan. Yung ano? Basta lang,
Pasok.
29. Dapat wala din yung nakalaro natin.
Oo, yun talaga.
Jimenez, ano number? Jimenez! Si Jimenez. 17.
6 and 29. 6 minutes and 29 seconds.
Got yan, got.
Oh, injury. Scotty Thompson's injured. Bago pa naman yung sapatos mo.
Got, got.
Palitan mo yung sapatos. Huwag na yung Scotty.
Galing sa Pinas eh.
Galing ano, USA.
Daw.
Here we go. Chess number 18 coming in. Right? Yeah. Villabel. Villabel, number 28. Pass to Gohan. Pass to McDaniels. McDaniels. Umanat ng pisto. Up, Villabel ang take. Up. No good. A ball rebound again. Pass break. Here we go.
Okay lang.
JJ. McDaniels. Up. Wrong assist. Oh, inurang ang camera, wala na po sa gitna.
Di nakita.
Hindi na kami makita. Sa amin pa naman nakatutok yun, ikaw tagagat. Technical.
Alex,
Right.
technical.
Number 7, number 10.
Nice one.
Tobiano, no good. Subia.
18, foul.
Number 18, foul.
Sub, rep, sub.
Just a minute. Wait a minute. Substitution, please. One more shot. No good. Up. Holding foul. Number 2. Holding foul. Number 7. For 3. 3 points. 28. Villavera. Dribble the ball. Pass to Yeye. Pass to Villavera. Oh, block. Oh, steal the ball. Number 2. 2 points. Big dribble the ball. Oh, no foul. Galapan, dribble the ball. Oh, steal the ball, number 14. Number 3. Oh, pass again, steal the ball. Outside.
4 points.
Number 3. Jump shot. No good. Cedric, dribble the ball. 3-1. In the red show, no good. Oh, nagtatuhan din sila. Counter by there. Daniels. Daniels dribble the ball.
Sub.
Daniels dribble the ball. Cedric. Out of the line. Substitution. Sub.
Grabe naman ka-shooter yun.
Sub. Right. Oh, 37 dribble the ball. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 14. Number 8. Number 3. Number 3. Oh, assist to number Chilius.
18.
18 foul. Second foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Here we go. Tumira! Yan ang sinasabi sa inyo. Christian Gabao, number 22.
Galing pa na chip yan!
Cedric, pass to Daniels. Foul. 14.
Kamay na tuhod.
Julius, number 14.
Kamay na tuhod.
2 shots.
First quarter pa lang kaya.
2 shots.
Kamay na itlogan.
Good. 1 down.
Talagtaan.
Right, look good.
Na itlogan.
Second shot. Good. Score. 68, favor of Midway. 37. Counted, number 37. Counted, 37.
Number 7.
37. 2 points. Number 12. Pass to 18.
Is that the best one by
Pass to yeah. Foul counted. Yeah, counted.
14.
Number 14.
Dalawa na si Julius.
Julius, second foul.
Dalawa na si Julius.
Right, and 1. No good. Nice. Rebound number 18. Yeah, again. Final stop.
Sab doon.
What's happening?
Julius.
3 seconds. Substitution.
Kuya, dalawa na si Julius.
Right, 37. Up. Release there.
Hindi, mali pa rin yung ano. Dapat doon sa harap.
Dito pag nila, ginagawa.
Sino nakaharap eh? 37, do ba na mo? Up. Alam tulong. Up, 37. Umalang ng tira. Daniel's rebound. Again. Diniribol. Foul. Number 8. Aaron.
Ref, both teams warning for team fouls.
Warning for team fouls.
Both teams.
After the show.
Okay, both teams.
Number 28. Tumira. Pasok. Pasok. 18-12. Favor of Hitway. Jimenez. Pinasa. Maroon. No good again. Number 28. Still by the road.
Time out, ref. Time out.
Timeout.
Hitway.
Hitway. Score 18-12. Favor of Hitway. Oh, is there another star player? Here we go. Dumating ang isang star player. Time 2 minutes and 8 seconds. 2 minutes and 8 seconds.
Ref, Alex. Both teams are warning for team fouls.
Warning for team fouls, both teams. Right?
Yung time natin, di magkasabay oh.
Anyway, iba yung time mo? Iba yung time niya?
Daya mo eh.
Here we go. Pinasa, number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball. Pass to 28. 28, naganap ng tira. Pass to Cedric. Cedric Tamira. No good. Here we go, Jimenez. Pass break. Oh. Soriano. Binigay. Kay Troy. Number 4. Coletus. Binigay kay Troy. No good. Cedric. Nagpapatid si Cedric. Nagpadali. No foul. Diretso pa rin. Jimenez. Concentrate. Tumira. Pasok. Batang Edinburgh.
Kaya pala hilingi?
Solis. Al Solis. 20-12. No good. Solis rebound. Pass to Big. Big dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Crossover. Pinasa kay Troy. Troy tumira ng tres. No good. Villaper. Nagmamadali. Lumipad. Counted. Foul counted. Number 3. Foul.
Number 3?
Who's foul? 37.
Ati today?
Ano? Si Solis? Solis foul.
Oh, ayaw mo yun.
Counted. Twenty, 15, 43 seconds.
Sabay ko.
Solis. Pinasa. Jimenez. Nasis. Takbo ni Cedric. Cedric. Foul.
Parang pre.
Malamang si 77 na yun.
37.
37.
May try!
Foul.
Ayun na, may try!
Penalty.
Di ba dapat kanina nag-intro na?
Hindi.
Oo, foul
Hindi,
na.
ano, involvement.
Penalty. 30 seconds. No good. One more. One more shot. No good. One more. Stepping. One more shot. No good again. Kalapan! 3 points.
20 seconds!
20 seconds. Hop. Solsut. Jimenez. Soriano. Hop. Miss. 7. 6. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 2017, favor of Hitler.
Hindi ko lang ako. Tapos yung period, palitan. Yes. Meron.
Second quarter.
Pang-araw-araw lang.
Ingatan natin, na-stress may guilt. Hindi pa na-breaking ka na, tinatakbo yun. Second quarter. Ano lang second quarter? Hindi mo tayo, half-time na. Oh, second quarter. Hindi pa to half-time ha. Meron yung tagal half-time.
Second court.
Right? Tartans ball.
Nanonood ka rin ng live.
Hindi na ano dito.
Tartans ball.
Kanino yan?
Doon no? Ha?
Kanino po yun?
No? Apat to eh.
Tartans ball, Tartans.
Ako yung Elvis yun.
Hindi medyo na ano doon na side.
Orange kanina, ano, Heatwave kanina nagano ng bola, di ba? Nakakuha.
Ano Ano to, pre?
Oh,
Pre.
Tartans.
pre.
Tartans ball.
Ay, pinag-uusapan yata nila kasi.
Ano na violation. Pero
Ano to?
Ano
Tartans
to, 10
ball.
minutes? Ah.
Andres, pinasa kay Cedric. Cedric, pinasa kay Yeye. Oh, pinasa kay Cedric, nagulat. Hitway ball. Pick, nagdala ng bola. Pinasa, kay Solis. Nalibre si Julius. Pasok. MVP. Cedric. Pinasa kay Yeye. Yeye, naghahanap ng papasahan. Kay Andres. Pinigay kay Salvador. Andres. Yeye. Tinira. No good. Oh, Radole. Huwag mo nang uulitin yan. Ilang beses mong ginagawa yan, ha? Huwag mong gagawin dito yan. Huli ka rito.
Ang over yan, ang over.
Kahit hindi mo inaangat ang paa mo, traveling ang tawag sa'yo. Yeye. Hop. Julius. Tumira. Pasok.
Galit, galit.
Hop. Number 42. 42. 42. Pinasa kay Andres. Andres for 3. No good. Number 7. Solis. Solis dribble the ball. Oh, pinasa. Number 7. Pinasa pa kay Julius. Pinasa sa number 10 for 3. No good. Number 7 rebound. Solis. Number 3. Julius. Edacto. Oh! Traveling again. Substitution.
Sabi wag mo na uulitin yun eh.
Sub.
Sabi wag na uulitin.
Substitution. Two traveling. Julius. 28. Lumride. Pasok. Number 28. Dick. Dribble the ball. Dick. Dribble the ball. Pass to Julius. Julius naghat ng papasahan. Pinarako. Patay na. Julius na MVP. Cedric. Cedric, pinasa. Pinasa. Andres, nagang papasahan. Pasa. Kay Salvador. Salvador. Pinali. McDaniels. Tumira. Pasok ang rebound ni McDaniels.
20 balls.
Ha?
Here we go. Oh! Oh! Turnover. Substitution. Sam. Solis out. Jimenez in. Here we go. Big dribble the ball. Pinasa. Pinasa kay Jimenez. Number 8. Pinalik kay Jimenez. Binalik. Tumira. Number 8 for 3. 3 points. Cardini for 3 points. Cedric, no good. Number 7. 7, Subia. Hey, still. Andres, still the ball. Andres. Post to post. No good. Billabel. Back again. Tumira for 3. No good. Rebound by McDaniel. Score 29-23. Favor of Hitway. Score. Julius. Oh! Angat nila. Traveling. Third traveling.
Pre, malawat ka nag-graduate!
Ingat ka, kapag nakabili mo. Daniels. Pinasa. Cedric. Cedric. Ayaw pa rin talaga. Ayaw.
Huli! Huli!
Number 10. Foul.
Huli! Sab!
2 shots.
Elvis.
Sub.
Elvis tayo.
Pumasok po ang veterans. Oh! Substitution rep. Sub. Sub.
Napagod sa fast break.
Tinapos.
Haba ng takbo.
Right. Salvador. 2 shots. 1 shot. No good.
Kinain ng bola.
Last shot.
Kinain ng bola.
Yes. 1 point. Dick. Dribble the ball. Pinasa. Oh! Jimenez. Connectus. James Yap. Wala pa rin. Daniels rebound.
Burito ni Jimenez yung ikot mo.
Salvador. Pinasa. Villarreal. Oh! Tinira. Tapos. Julius. Coast to coast.
Traveling.
Still the ball. Ah! Nakalimutan. Ayun. Still lang ang bola. Nahuli na. Ah! Here we go. Push na to push. Ah! Isko na pa rin. Ah! Still the ball. Wow. Ang ganda na agawa ng bola. Oh! Jimenez. Oh! Daniels versus Jimenez. Oh! Foul. Daniel. 2 shots.
Elvis, nakadami ka still doon ah. Sab ka agad.
Oh, pagod na to. Pagod na raw.
Wait lang.
Right, substitution. Sub.
Wait lang
Oh, wait. Zero PD.
Napagod.
Pati ka. Oh, one down.
Sab!
Sub. Jimenez, 1 point. 30-24. Favor of Hitway. Salvador. Binalik kay Villarreal. Oh, binalik ulit kay Salvador. Malaki. Oh, no foul. Oh, no. Go. Cedric, sidestep. No good. Foul.
Lobo kasi si Tirso eh.
Number 22, Tercio Cruz. Return. Foul. 2 shots.
May tag-isa bang timeout?
1 down.
May isa time mo pa. Hindi na magka-carry over yung sa kapila.
Oh, pwede. Pwede.
420. Hindi na magka-carry over.
1 down again. Troy. Nahawak ng bola. Pinasa kay Soriano. Nag-dribble the ball. Pass to Soriano. Troy. Pinasa kay Jimenez. Jimenez jump shot. Short. Jimenez. Another one. No. Jimenez. Pass to Julius. Counted by Julius. Number 28, dribble the ball. Pass to Calapan. No good. Soriano rebound the ball. Soriano, maraming nagbantay. Oh, Troy, nag-iisa. Tumira. No good. Oh, Daniels. Coast to coast. Daniels, Daniels, Okay, still the ball. Nice, here we go. Oh! 17, foul.
Jimenez.
Lalo yung steal sa game ito.
32-28. Jimenez. Not good. Troy, dribble the ball.
Check ko lang kung mapapansin mo.
Jimenez. Jimenez. Hop. Wala ang bola. Kalaban. Hop. Pinasa Cedric. Cedric. Pinasa. Hindi. Dinaretso. Hop. Daniel. Stop. Magaling. Time out. Heat wave.
Orange.
Heat wave time out. 2 minutes and 49 seconds. 32-28. Favor of heat wave. Oh, si Commissioner. Sama tayo si Commissioner. Si Commissioner.
Layo.
Anybody want to buy
Tickets. You wanna buy 4 tickets? Moto Club, 25 pounds. Saan yan? Sunderland? Sunderland, Moto Club ticket, 25 pounds. Sunderland.
I think it's 25 pounds per ticket.
Then, sir, every time someone buy a ticket, we give a lap dance.
Ano na?
Troy dribble the ball. Troy, pasa to Soriano. Soriano binilak kay Troy. Troy, nagamit ng papasahan. Inobol team. Huli. Binigay kay Jimenez. Jimenez. Pinira. Walang foul. Oh, kalapan. Binigay kay Salvador. Still again. Soriano. Troy. Pinasa. Sugan. Pinasa kay Jimenez. Nice shot. Nice assist. Yep, Jimenez. Shot the ball. Yeah. Tumira ng 3. No good. Subia for rebound. Hindi kay Jimenez. Change shot. Hop. Nagamit ng kabantay. Troy. Binigay kay Julius. Ayaw nang umikat for traveling. Ayaw na.
Mag-travel na naman.
Hop. Salvador. Nadala ng bola. Nagaling na papasahan. Nasa kay Cedric. Hop. Foul. Number 37.
Penalty na.
Dalawa na yan.
Penalty na hit wave.
Ano po? Side.
Dapat pa lang.
Hop. Kick the ball. Pass to Daniels.
1 minute.
Good shot. 34-30. The favor of Hitway. Troy. Julius. Troy. Good shot. Good assist. Troy. Cedric. Yeah, missed the ball. Nagalmasal, hindi mo ko.
Wala na
Wala
kayo.
na kayo timeout.
Wala na kayo.
Timeout, Hitway.
Wala na. Pero kaya.
Timeout.
Bigyan mo ng 20 pounds, bigyan ko kayo isang timeout.
Isang time out. 50
Troy, dribble ball, Troy. Pinasa, Soriano. Nasa Troy ulit. Troy. Oh, tinira. No good. Oh, Jimenez. Rebound. Start and goal. 42 seconds. Ano, parang na kayo ng time?
Oo.
Sabay. Ginakaya mo.
Daniels no good. Salvador, rebound. Foul counted. Foul counted. Number 17, foul.
Jimenez.
Jimenez, second foul. One more shot. No good. Daniels rebound. Counted. 2 points. 36-34, favor of Heatwave. 30 seconds. Soriano. Soriano dribble the ball. 20 seconds. Julius, Tumira. No good. Daniels. Here we go. Fast break. Counted. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 0. 36 all.
Nasa labas kaya?
Run the clock. 5 minutes. Run the clock to time 10 minutes.
Sige nga, labas na. Elvis, pagkakas mo lang ako. Game mo yan.
Maybe you can just get forward and
When he plays hustle, that's when we
they can't jump. What we really need, see, I'm gonna try to get them he's making to us. I've been saying every time I go association, I keep buying him. Come over. Right? So I keep saying, why
that camera. Alright, sorry. It was too close to. So McDonald's is next door, but I hate McDonald's. Prefer going Subway. But Subway is like 3 miles away, 6 miles. So what are you doing for lunch? For your lunch? Eh? Yeah, go for it. And then come back to the ticket. There's one time I was doing 90. I was late for a game in Grangemore. And I just passed the police and I think they were going somewhere else.
Go faster.
I'm like, oh shit.
I always misjudge Richmond. I don't know, there's a time I always get it wrong.
Is it?
Yeah, so I'm always rushing.
I'm always rushing for Grangemore
Yeah,
as well.
same.
I don't know how long.
No idea.
Eccentric as well, the way he plays, he really tries to get a foul. You know what I mean? That's what I look like, I'm fouling him.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Back to your position.
Third quarter.
Pinoy, kahit
Third quarter. Mamaya mawawala kami lahat for quarter kasi lalaro lahat ng anong comment. Wala matitira kasi for quarter wala na ano. Matitira na wala na.
Gusto na namin maglaro!
Oh, Moto Club lang po. Dalawa na lang po. 2.50 na lang. 2.50.
Moto Club yan.
Period po yun.
Hindi ko ba mapapansin yung makasabitan dito sa paa? Ano kung hawakan dito sa paa?
Right, game. Pass at 7, number 8. No good. Sylvia for rebound. Back to Baron. Up, Sydney, pinasa. Dalawa na, matambal. Pass to Julius. Here we go, the twins back. Ayan, sabing kompletong orange. Villabel. Up. Sylvia for rebound. Back. Up. No good. Oh. McDaniels versus McConte. Number 28. Oh, pinasa, Andres. Pinasa ka Villabel. Villabel, binalik Andres. Andres na kalaman.
Bakit?
Oh, oh, grabe rin.
Huwag kang gumaya kay Julius
Huwag
dito!
kang mag-alangan. Itira mo na.
Sorry, boss.
Right. Baron. Binalik ni Vic. Vic. Oh, Julius. Tumira ng tres. No good. Twenty-eight, Villabel. Cedric. Kumentus. Cedric. Tumira. Good shot. 38 all. Parang hirap kayo ah.
Sila madali dito kasi dito si Conte.
Oo, hirap. Hop, still. Villabel. Hop, inassist. Cedric. Hop. Wrong assist. Carton ball. Hop, nakakalay na sila dalawa.
Ah,
Hop, Cedric, pinasa kay Andres. Andres, tumira ng Andres. No good. Julius for rebound. Julius na dalang bola. Binigay Sydney, first to goals. Yes. McConte. McConte. 28, binigay Cedric. Metus, Cedric. Umikot, tumira. No good. Conte for rebound. Oh! Pinasa kay Sylvia. Sylvia. Binigay kay Baron. Malakas. Oh! Here we go. Conte, post to post. Daniels. Tumira. No good. Sylvia again for rebound. Vic. Conte again. Post to post again. Good point.
May scoring machine na.
Okay, umahabol ng MVP. There we go. Number 28.
Chef daw, chef. Chef.
Number 28. Pinasa kay Cedric. Cedric. Pinasa kay Yeye. Hinahanap ang kapasan. Oh, crossover. Binigyan ng Andres again. For free. No good. Daniels. Rebound. No good. Daniels again. Sub rep. Substitution. Sub.
Conte, pumapayat ka!
Vic. Vic dribble the ball. Pass to Cardin. Pass to Vic. Sylvia. Pass. Julius. No. dinakdakin kasi sana. Oh, Cedric. Cedric, pinasakay, Villavelle. Villavelle, pass over, Tumira. Yes, counted. 42-40. Favor of Gateway. Vic, nagharap ng papasahan. Nagpupuso sila, Israel. Oh, no good again. Yeah. Rebound the ball. Oh, foul. Number 7, substitution. First team foul. Forty-two, 40. Number 20 nakalisot. No good. Pinasakay counted. Pinasakay Batong. Counted. Kanina. Oh, yeah. No good again. Julius. Nagpapasabit na po ang orange. Nagpapasabit na. Pinasa ulit kay Julius. Counted. Julius. Okay.
Dead ball po dito.
Up, number 28. Up. Up, number 28. Tinira. No good.
Time out!
Time out. Tartan. Hirapan po ang Midway yung score. Midway. $46-40. Moto Club po, 25 pounds. Kung bibili po kayo ng dalawa, 15 na lang.
Injured ka rin? Susuporta kami, di ba baka doon pagano?
Moto Club, Sunderland. Next week na po ang laban. Next week. Attended. June. Well, kasama ng 1 minute yun. Kasama na po yung sa alam. Out again. Time. Right, Solis. Nagawang napapasahan. Solis nakakuha pa. Yes. Solis. Cedric. Nakawala. Foul. Solis foul. Number 3.
Pre, paano to? Don't time na ganun.
Number 3. 2 shots. One goal.
Jumper!
Hop! Walang jumper. Hop! Stepping. Nag-volley. Stepping. Hop! Cedric. Tumira. No good. Sidney. Hop! Tumulong si Julius. Walang tumula. Sino tumula kay Julius? Hop! Rebound. Daniels for rebound. Hop! Diretso. Coast to coast.
Kapilit ka naman si Julius. Umiikot po.
Hilo. Wala. Hop! Solis. Number 8. 37. Sidney, nakawala. Hop! Solis. Di pa tinira, hop. Binalik. Hop. Di pa tinira. Hop. Di pa tinira, hop. Wala. Here we go. Another pass break. Salvador. Hop. Hop. Foul. 37.
Sub, rep! Sub!
Substitution. Two shots.
Yan.
Two shots for Salvador. Triple Troy. Pasok. 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 Time out. Next one. Counted. No point. What's the call? Time out. Time out. Midway.
Medalya rin na. Apat yan eh.
Time out. Midway.
Kasi ano, kasama ng pura.
Nakasituloy sa cell, right?
Isa ka din, rep?
Naidagdag mo na yan?
Right, 48, 44, favor of Madrid. Right, 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Petroy!
Troy, 3 fouls. Julius, 2 fouls. Jimenez, 2 fouls. Solis, 2 fouls. Tirso, negative 1. Right, Troy, bring the ball, pass to Solis. Solis, at napapasahan, pinasahan kay Hop, pinasa. Counter by Julius. Cedric, umikot. Cedric, pinasa. Daniels, tumira. Yes. 58-46. Troy, umikot. Troy, pinasa kay binigay kay Julius. Hop, Namersa. Hop, Namersa. Counted. Namersa na. Namersa Bisakol. Here we go, Cedric. Hop, tumira, short. Hop, Daniels. Hop. Here we go. Fast break. Nag-inside. Counted. Solis. 54-46. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah. Hop. Here we go. Any foul? Who's foul?
Alex!
Substitution. Sub. Cedric out.
Dito Deo, tatlo na!
Deo, 3 fouls. Lebel. Yes. Counter. Troy, dribble the ball. Troy, coast to coast. Up. Error. Up. Bola. Kalapati, number 18. Villavel, para kay Daniels. Pinasa ulit kay, naganda pa na assist. Release. Tida. No good. Nice. Jimenez. Daniels, nagdala ng bola.
Daniel, umikot.
Impulse. Penalty. Kelvis! Kelvis! Namatay yung speaker, yung microphone.
Lobat na, lobat.
Babat na yata yung microphone. Ano?
Hit natin.
Nagkantuhan na tayo.
Dito tayo. Dito na tayo. Wala.
Chargeable, hindi pwedeng double A.
Walang magic na. Nakakay ko magic na.
Travel!
30 seconds! Twenty-five! 20! 15! 13 seconds left. 13 seconds.
Yung pagtira niya pala. Penalty for the pala. Counted pare. Counted! Sabi niya lang eh. What?
Wala akong magagawa.
One!
One halfway line.
Look at the replay.
Okay, we'll get him 2 points. That's okay.
Wala na!
Ha?
Tama na! Wala ka na dito. Wala ka argument sa ano.
Hindi, counted yun.
Ball pa natin ito. Referee nag-counted. Ball pa natin ito. Ano yung hita natin itim? Sa kanila sa tapat. Sa awan yung ball.
Pre, pakisa-kisa.
Ano mo? Baka malas yun, pre. Malas yun.
Bakit?
Baka di ako makashoot. Lalaro sa Crystal. Ah,
Wala ba naka-charge yung phone mo? Para ma-charge natin ba?
Type-C ba yan?
ewan ko. Hindi.
Ay, no.
Ay, hindi pala.
Ano ba? Kanina pa.
Hindi pala. Iniwanan na. Ano pa? Wala? Iniwanan na.
Ilan ang fall ni Julius?
Tatlo.
Bawasan ko na isa, bigyan mo 50 pounds. Bawasan ko isa, bigyan mo 50 pounds. Ayaw mo bawasan ko?
Wag na ha. Julius!
Wala mo siya rin. Hindi ko nagpaalam ka rin.
Alam ko. Grabe ka na naman.
Dalawa pa
Shot,
foul
shot,
ko.
shot! Ilan ang phone nito?
Tatlo, nakatatlong travel.
Ay, okay na. Nasa loob niya.
Papakalo pa rin, nasa labas ka na.
Nasa loob na eh. Okay na, okay na.
Ready, out na.
Nasa loob na nagsab eh.
Personal,
Doon, preso sa group chat, patag sila tantan, nasa na sila?
Doon, wala na kami time out.
May isa pa.
Isa pa.
Dito, try nyo yung charger na to. Pas charger. Awat tayo dito. Yung pag na-charge yan, ano yan? 3 years bago malobat. Pre, bakit ka ulit?
Mamaya, nalo tayo.
Ay, siya, kalmi na.
Sorry ah. Minutes.
Paul?
All counted.
Sino nakashoot?
Ni McDaniels.
Stop. Sinong Paul? Sino yung number 2? Alex! Alex! Alex!
Yeah. Basket?
Ha?
Basket yun?
Isa, basket!
Day, 63 in favor of Hickory. 4 minutes. Kanina nagpo-photographer kasi dito Andres eh.
Konti ata.
Konti?
Running for Bradley, Sonis.
Major score.
There you go, Daniels. Up. Tartan ball.
Ay! 220!
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Sabi ko, anong oras na eh?
Teo. Troy. Sydney. Error. 72-65, favor of Pitney. Salvador counted. 67-72. 17. Substitution. Sub. 1 minute and 54 seconds. And 1. No good. Julius for rebound. Tayo. Nice pass. Julius gumawa kagad. Papapasok lang. Number 7, no good. Julius rebound again. Talagang nagsipat. Sydney. Up. Counted. Up. 76-67. 9-point lead by hit rate. Cedric. Tumira ng 3. No good. Julius rebound again. Daming rebound ni Julius 1 minute. Julius, get up. Miss. Up. Yeah. Counted. Salvador. 55 seconds. 76-69. 4-3. No good. Daniels. Up too high. 44 seconds. 44 seconds. Soriano. Slow down the ball. Soriano dribble the ball. Pass to Deo. Pass to Julius. Julius tinira ng 3. No good. 30 seconds. Yeah, no good. Julius will dribble again. Sydney. 20 seconds. Sydney down. 1 point for Sydney. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and counted. 3 points.
Naka-3 points ka pa na?
81-71, Gateway, winner. Gateway, 2-2. Spartan, 1-3.
Shit.
Hahabol